Ready to catch every out-of-market NFL game this season without cable? Let's dive into how to purchase an NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube. First, you'll need to decide how you want to access Sunday Ticket. You have two main options through YouTube TV or directly through YouTube Primetime Channels. If you're already a YouTube TV subscriber, purchasing Sunday Ticket is super easy. Open the YouTube TV app or visit the YouTube TV website. Look for the Sports tab or search for NFL Sunday Ticket. You should see an option to add it to your existing YouTube TV subscription. Click through to view the pricing details. YouTube TV often offers introductory pricing, so be sure to check for any deals. Don't have YouTube TV? No problem. You can purchase an NFL Sunday Ticket as a standalone subscription through YouTube Primetime Channels. Just head over to YouTube and search for NFL Sunday Ticket. You'll find the official NFL Sunday Ticket page where you can sign up, select your subscription package, and follow the prompts to create an account or sign in with your existing Google account. You'll be guided through the payment process. Choose your preferred payment method, enter your details, and confirm your purchase. Once payment is complete, you're all set. Now you can access all the live out-of-market NFL games every Sunday right on YouTube. So get ready to settle in, grab your snacks, and enjoy a full season of football with NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube. Happy watching!